OPPO Watch makes its debut with built-in cellular and flexible Hyperboloid display. OPPO introduced OPPO Watch, the brand's first smartwatch series, following the announcement of its flagship Find X2 series. This launch serves as one of OPPO's strategic steps into the field of IoT. The 46mm version of OPPO Watch uses a 3D flexible Hyperboloid display, an industry first for a smartwatch. The entire series incorporates OPPO's own dual-chip, endurance system and watch VOOC flash charging technology, which reportedly improve battery life and shorten charging time. Built-in cellular connectivity and health and app fitness tracking round out the features of the series. All in all, OPPO Watch is being presented as a stylish way to live more freely, healthily, and creatively. The industry's first smartwatch with a 3D flexible Hyperboloid screen, this might be the best-looking smartwatch of the year, wrote OPPO's Vice President Brian Shen in a recent Weibo post. Indeed, OPPO Watch's flexible Hyperboloid display is an innovative design typically reserved for smartphones. The 46mm version features a 1.91-inch AMOLED screen with a 72.76% screen-to-body ratio, 402x476 resolution, and 326 ppi density for extra detail. An ultra-frameless design makes the most of every millimeter of space, packing in an impressive amount of information. OPPO Watch owes its slim profile to this AMOLED screen, combined with a 4.5mm aluminum frame and 3D curved glass crystal. The back of the watch uses an integrated 3D ceramic design and sensors designed to maximize contact with the skin without exerting pressure. Each watch comes with a band made of either Italian calfskin or floral rubber and available in a variety of colors to suit different occasions, from meetings to workouts. The band can be easily removed by pushing a single button. Built-in cellular, keeping connectivity within reach. The launch event also revealed another brand new feature, eSIM-based cellular connectivity, which helps users stay connected in a smarter and more efficient way without restriction. OPPO Watch can share a phone number with a smartphone or have its own number, either of which can be used for voice calls and internet access. This feature brings smartphone-level convenience to the smartwatch realm. OPPO Watch can also be used for listening to music and making payments. An internal app store offers a variety of third-party apps for social, networking, travel, entertainment, and more. In addition, the watch's style-matching AI watch face can generate a wallpaper that matches a photo of the user's outfit, inventing a stylish new look every day. Comprehensive heart rate and sleep monitoring, health tracking, made easy. Health and fitness has become a hot topic, especially among office workers, who feel an increasing need to develop good exercise habits and monitor their health. OPPO Watch provides a health monitoring system and various fitness tracking functions through which OPPO hopes to make exercise easier for its users. The watch contains 5 exercise sensors, can monitor a range of exercise scenarios, and is water-resistant to 50 meters, making it easier to incorporate exercise into any lifestyle. Beyond exercise features, OPPO Watch can monitor sleep quality, generating a sleep report of the user's duration of deep sleep, light sleep, and awake time. Additionally, the watch can constantly monitor heart rate and generate a chart showing heart rate over the past 24 hours. Other functions such as activity and breathing reminders and monthly cycle monitoring for female users are also available. This is a watch that truly helps users take care of their health across the board. OPPO smartphone users can prepare their phone's health app with OPPO Watch to access additional health and app fitness services. Users of other Android smartphones can access the same services by downloading the HeyTap Health app. Dual-chip endurance and app watch VOOC flash charging for users who often find themselves feeling low battery anxiety. OPPO Watch has its own dual-chip endurance system that switches between a Snapdragon chip and an Apollo chip depending on power usage mode. In smart mode, the watch reportedly has a 40-hour use time on one charge. In power saver mode, only basic functions such as notifications are enabled, and use time reportedly reaches 21 days on one charge. Drawing on its expertise in the field of flash charging, OPPO has also developed its own all-new Watch VOOC flash charging technology, which uses the same battery system as OPPO smartphones. This technology ensures both charging speed and safety. A full charge takes 75 minutes, and 15 minutes of charging time reportedly yields a 46% charge, which corresponds to approximately 18 hours of use time, enough for an entire day of use. Watch VOOC flash charging, combined with the dual-chip endurance system, clearly demonstrates a higher-tech, higher-quality approach to the smartwatch experience. OPPO Watch series will be available globally, and will hit the shelves in mainland China from March 24. The currently unveiled versions use the Android-based Color OS watch system. It will soon come in versions tailored to other markets. Please stay tuned. As OPPO's first foray into the wearable market, OPPO Watch is raising the bar with its signature design, built-in cellular connectivity, health and app fitness features, fast charging, and dual-chip endurance system. Overall, it's a smartwatch experience you won't want to miss.